Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at the ONAMOR ozone machine. It's good for getting out smoke smell, wet dog smell, just smells you want to get rid of in your car. So we've got a power cable. Looks like it's maybe 4 foot long. Package as well. Set that on here. Take this off here. Looks like it's got kind of like a blue powder coated color, which is nice. Looks like a kind of aluminum. Should be sturdy. It's got little rubber feet, so it doesn't really scratch because there are some screws and metal parts here. Now you've got a timer here from 0 to 180 minutes or hold, so you could go indefinitely if you want. And then here's the power plug. And I believe this comes off to change things out, but let me look at the user manual here. Comes with an extra fuse. Get a no entry because you don't want to go in the car while it's going. Let's see here. Okay, so this is the air outlet. That's where the ozone comes out. And back is the fan. The fuse looks like it is right here, right next to the power cord. So you just pop that off and you can change it. It comes with a new fuse, which is nice just in case you have a short or something pops the circuit. Okay, so we got our ozone machine. We got our vehicle that we want to get rid of any smells. Now ozone is heavier than air, so we do not want to put it down here or really up here. I've got this block of wood here, and I was going to put it on the center console here. That'll kind of elevate it. If we can just get it balanced, then it will be just fine. Alright, so we can set it to 60 minutes if you want. And the timer will be going and it'll be on. And then we'll come back when it's done. And then we'll put this no entry here.